What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a survival let's play, but this version is 1.8.1, which some people has another version like 1.9.5. So we're gonna start this video. Create world, new world. Now name this, I don't know. And no, survival. Peaceful. Not peaceful. Let's just go to normal. I don't know about you guys, but if you like a bonus chest, I would do it. But I won't. Just tell me in another video. And no, I'm not going to be an operator. I'll be a member so that I can cheat. Infinite. I will go to the final world because I can go to the end. And there's a ravine too. Now, it will be number 4 or 6. Yeah, I'll be going to 6. Show coordinates, no. Activate cheats, no. Yeah, I'm gonna on the keep inventory and use the experiment. No. Let's go on to this world. As you can see, it's generating. Guys, this video will be so short, I guess, because it's just a normal world, yeah. And just to make, well, it's loading. Just to make you know, please subscribe and like. I'll be posting videos on Sundays and Saturdays. That's about it. But it's still loading. Yeah, let's just wait. Done. Instantly. Now, this is the final world. So, did I break that? Nope, I didn't. So, this is blah blah blah. Yeah, let's just steal from the blacksmith and what his item's gonna bring us. Really? Just that? Just a bread and 2 pieces of apple and 1 saddle. I will eventually find a horse. Maybe not, but what I remember from this, oh my god, I remember that. But what I remembered from this seed, because if you go straight over this path, like south, I guess, or east, now we're going forward or here, we will find another village, which I will steal from the blacksmith. This will take a while, guys. So, yeah. And I took damage. Well, this is a normal world, so I'm not instantly regenerating. Almost fell to that hole. But I didn't. I'm lagging. Yeah, I didn't. Now, there's another village, as you can see right there. Yeah. Now, we're going through this village right there. Guys, in the next video, I'll be just cutting wood, and I'm still not a pro in Minecraft. I'm not either a noob. I'm just a normal player. Yeah. Guys, I don't know where's the blacksmith. I'm wondering, but I don't know where's the blacksmith. Yeah, I don't know where's the blacksmith. Is this the blacksmith? Well, the blacksmith is nowhere to be seen. Well, there's another path. Well, let me go here, this path. Nope, we'll go back. So, guys, I'll be back when I reach to the other village. Just wait for a moment. So, as you can see, guys, I arrived from the village. And my hunger bar has been taken. Unless I'm gonna eat this apple. Still not full. And then this bread. I'm just wasting everything. Oh, the tree. I think I'll make a tree. I won't break that. Oh my God, here's the ravine I was talking about earlier. Oh, there's a stronghold. So guys, I'm going straight through here, which I'm gonna mine. Well, I'm gonna take this tree down first. Wait, don't worry, guys. This would take a while. I'll be a lumberjack. Well, I've heard that there's a world record that the most taken wood from trees in Minecraft, and they were called the lumberjack. Yeah. So I should probably pick a house here. And this would be my, I don't know what's my house. Yeah, this would be it. Yeah, it's better. Nice. This is better. Yeah, this is better. I'll make that an iron door soon. But I hate the door position like this. Let me take it out. Nah, now it's taken. That's better. I don't know why someone would make their door like that, but I kinda hate it. So this is my house. Now this wood, I would make it into planks. And I'll make it into a crafting table. Yeah, I'll make a crafting table. I'll make a third. This is a 3-story, right? Yep, it's definitely a 3-story house. Well, I'll put the crafting table over here. I will move that to another place soon enough. And I'll make sticks. And I'll get an axe. Which is necessary because I'm going to get wood. Now, going to the part where I was before. Jackpot. So that tree's taken down, that tree. Now I must take this tree that's over here. Now, this episode will be, yeah, this is a series, just to, but this episode we will be taking resources. That's much about it. And I'm gonna take resources first. I got a sapling, which I must place it on something. Wee! Hi, kitty. You're afraid of me, you stupid little cat. Well, I like cats though. I have a friend that doesn't like cats. Plays Minecraft, but not a YouTuber. Yeah. I'm taking down wood like I don't care. Oh yeah, this YouTube channel has no intro, so guys, recommend me a song for an intro if people are watching this, yeah. But be sure to subscribe to Unspeakable Gaming. He was sponsored from this video because I was like, YouTubers are sponsored. I watch YouTubers. There's like Dennis plays Roblox. Yeah, I play Roblox before, and I play Minecraft now, which is Unspeakable. And Unspeakable, if you're watching this, this would be a sign of peace. No, not really, but I wish we could join Unspeakable in this world. Yeah, probably I'll make a chest. Just done. I would make a pickaxe as usual in Minecraft. Now we're gonna mine. At first, I'm gonna get this. Gonna put my saddle in there. Wait, let me see if it dropped. Excuse me. Let's see if it dropped apples. There's another sapling, which I'll plant it. And there's no apple. I'm getting to be hungry. And I'm going to mine things. Nope. There's, oh no! An apple and a sapling. So I'm gonna mine wood. Can I turn? Nope, I can't. So I'm gonna mine some. Oh, it's going to be night, I guess. So where's the sun? I don't see the sun. Why is there no clouds? Did I off it? I don't remember offing it. I don't remember offing it. Video. Outline. Beautiful skies. Now that's what I really like it. Yeah. Yep, it's already sunrise. I mean, it's already sunset. Ooh, there are cactuses. Cactus. Wait, what? What? Okay, that would be it. We will continue. We will continue in the next episode. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. And I'll be posting videos in Mondays. No, not Mondays. Saturdays and Sundays. Bye bye.